So, okay, I'm just going to announce what we're doing while Ty figures this out. So, I'm Audrey.
I'm Ty.
And we're singing Love You I Do from Dreamgirls. So, If I, sound like crap, it's because my head is full of snot.
We came up with the ton of excuses.
I know. It just makes me sound sultry. Score. Okay.
Hit it.
Never met a man quite like you, doing all he can, making my dreams come true. You're strong and you're smart, you've taken my heart, and I'll give you the rest of me too. You're the perfect man for me, I love you, I do. I love you.
Never ever felt quite like this. Good about myself from the very first kiss. I'm here when you call, you've got it all, and a confidence like I never knew. You're the perfect one for me. I love you, I do.
You've got the charm, you simply disarm me every time.
As long as you drive, I'm along for the ride your way.
I've said it before, there won't be a door that's closed to us.
Putting all my trust in you, 'cause you'll always be true. Never could I know this would be. You and you alone, yeah. For me.
I know you're the best, you passed every test. It's almost too good to be true. You're the perfect man for me. I love you, I do. You're the perfect one for me. I love you, I